Why didn't I learn to make tortillas like this before? This is the most delicious tortilla in the world. I'll start by putting olive oil in a frying pan. Then add ground beef. Let the meat fry. When it's ready, we'll add the spices. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of paprika. Add salt to taste and let it fry for another 2 minutes. And look how it's already changing color. Once that's done, add 100 milliliters of milk. Then add 4 slices of cheddar cheese. Then mix again, and look how delicious it is. Our filling is ready. Set it aside. Now let's cut the tortillas in half, like this. Break an egg into a bowl and separate the white from the yolk. Set the white aside, and we'll put the yolk in another container. Now break another egg. Beat it with a whisk for 2 minutes. Now set aside. Take half the tortilla and fill it. First put half a slice of cheddar cheese and the meat we've prepared, the amount to taste. Brush the edges with egg white. Now just close our tortilla in this triangle shape. Repeat this process until the filling is used up. And this recipe is amazing. I'm sure it will be made every day here at home. And let me know what your favorite tortilla recipe is, because I'd love to know your recipe. Now let's put the filled tortillas in this baking dish. Once we've filled the whole dish, we'll brush the beaten eggs on top. This recipe is very easy and very quick to prepare. Once that's done, add grated mozzarella cheese on top and add as much as you like. Then bake at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. And look, this delight is ready, people. It's perfect. What a spectacle of flavor, people. Look how wonderful it is. How would you rate this recipe? Let me know, because your opinion is very important to us. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.